Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Remifa Laser Pen, that viral at-home device that claims to remove moles, warts, and skin tags in seconds. But is it actually legit or just another online scam? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Now, here's the weird part. There's no official Remifa website. That's a red flag already. The only place we found it being sold was on Brexel.net, which doesn't seem like a verified or trusted site. There is also no Trustpilot rating, no Reddit discussion, no actual community feedback, which is very unusual for a trending product in 2025. We did check Scam Advisor, and the website Remifa1.com has a low trust score with warnings about suspicious content and a hidden company identity. No customer support, no real reviews, and no clear brand behind the product. That's sketchy. For the final verdict, is Remifa Laser Pen a scam or legit? Honestly, with no official source, zero verified reviews, and poor trust scores, this product looks more like a scam than something you should trust with your skin. Stay safe out there. If it's your health, don't risk it on a mystery device from a mystery seller. Thanks for watching. If you've seen this product or tried it yourself, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real product breakdowns. Catch you in the next one.